Google just launched the Pixel 11 and now it has a big problem to solve, the iPhone 17. The Pixel 11 cost $100 more, but does it actually give you more? Let's find out. So the comparison between Google Pixel 11 versus iPhone 17, and let's start with the display. The Pixel 11 comes with a 6.3-inch Actua OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The iPhone 17 also has a 6.3-inch OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Display resolution: Pixel 11 comes 1080 into 2424 pixel and iPhone 17 1206 by 2622 pixel. Display density: 422 ppi. Google Pixel 11 comes and 460 ppi. iPhone 17 comes. So when it comes to display quality, I did say the iPhone 17 has a slight edge. Now it is talk about the camera. The Google Pixel 11 comes with a triple camera setup on the back: 48 megapixel main camera, 10.8 megapixel telephoto lens and 13 megapixel ultra wide. On the other hand, the iPhone 17 comes with a dual camera setup on the back. It features a 48 megapixel main camera and 48 megapixel ultra wide camera. Unlike the iPhone 17 does not have a dedicated telephoto lens. So when it's come to cameras, the Google Pixel 11 has a slight edge. Now it is talk about another important part of this phone, the processor. The Google Pixel 11 is powered by Google's Tensor G6 chip, which score around 1.9 million in Antutu. On the other hand, the iPhone 17 is powered by Apple A19 chip, which score around 2.1 million in Antutu. So based on this benchmark score, the iPhone 17 has the performance advantage. When it's come to the battery, the Google Pixel 11 comes with a larger battery, while the iPhone 17 a smaller battery. However, battery capacity alone does not determine real world battery life, so we'll have to look at actual uses as well. We now covered the main features of both phones. So let's talk about the price difference and find out which one is actually the better choice for you. The iPhone 17 starts at $799 for 256GB, while the Google Pixel 11 starts at $899 for 256GB. That makes the Pixel 11 $100 more expensive the iPhone 17. So if you are asking me directly which phone is better, my answer simple: the iPhone 17 offers better value for money. I think the iPhone 17 is the better overall choice for most people. But what do you think? Which one would you choose, the Pixel 11 or the iPhone 17? Let me know the comment section. That's it for this video. I see you in another exciting tech video. Until then, take care and bye.